Imagine this. In just a few years, artificial intelligence could be running businesses, designing new technologies, and maybe even building more powerful versions of itself without asking us for permission. Sounds like science fiction, right? Wrong. The truth is, this is the default future we're heading toward, and almost nobody is prepared for what happens when machines stop being tools and start being architects of the world itself. Today, we're going to cut through the hype and the corporate PR, and I'll show you what scientists, Nobel Prize winners, and even the CEOs of big AI companies have been warning about. This isn't just about smarter chatbots. It's about a chain reaction that could reshape or end human civilization. Let's rewind a bit. In 2019, we had GPT-2. Pretty basic. Could answer trivia, do translations, maybe write a bad poem. Fast forward to 2022, GPT 3.5 shows up. Suddenly, AI can write essays, code apps, and even fool people into thinking it's human. And by 2025, we'll likely have models that can pass PhD exams, run businesses, and perfectly mimic human voices. That's not me speculating. That's the trajectory we're already on. And here's the scary part. The list of things AI can't do is shrinking every year. Now, imagine this line of progress doesn't stop. Eventually, AI gets good enough to design and train other AI systems. No humans needed. At that moment, progress stops being linear and goes vertical. We're talking recursive self-improvement. AIs making better AIs at speeds we can't keep up with. And if you think humans will still be in charge at that point, well, let's be honest. When was the last time humans successfully controlled something smarter, faster, and more scalable than themselves? Spoiler, never. Once AIs hit superintelligence, they'll be better than humans at every intellectual task. Science, they'll make breakthroughs we can't even understand. Economy, they'll drive growth faster than we can measure. Creativity, they'll produce novels, movies, inventions in minutes, not decades. And to them, we'll look kind of like ants. Not evil, not hated, just irrelevant. When we build a skyscraper, we don't negotiate with the ants living on the lot. We bulldoze because the ants don't matter to the project. This isn't some internet conspiracy. Top AI researchers, Nobel Prize winners, even the CEOs of OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic have all signed public statements saying, mitigating the risk of extinction from AI should be a global priority, alongside pandemics and nuclear war. That's right, extinction level risk. Not because AI hates us, but because it won't need us. And here's the kicker. We don't actually know how to make advanced AI reliably obey human values. Current safety systems, like refusing to answer dangerous prompts, are laughably weak. If nothing changes, this is the default path. Smarter AI's arrow, AI building AI arrow, superintelligence arrow, humanity sidelined or extinct. It's not dramatic, it's logical. We've already set the train in motion and the brakes don't exist yet. Now, is this the only possible future? Number. There are brilliant people working on alignment, making sure AIs share our values. Others argue for slowing down development until we understand what we're unleashing. But here's the truth. Corporations and governments are in an arms race to make AI smarter, faster, and more powerful. Billions are being poured in, and safety is an afterthought. So when people ask, is AI going to save us or destroy us? The honest answer is, it depends on whether we act before the default path takes over. Because what no one tells you about AI is that if we don't change course, humanity is gambling its entire future. For the sake of faster apps, better ads, and maybe some cool gadgets. And if you think that's terrifying, well, you should. Thanks for watching. If you want more fact talks on AI, the future of technology, and what it means for humanity, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you're going to want to stay ahead of what's coming next.